Good morning my friends and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video what we're going to talk about is how to start affiliate marketing for beginners, and I'm going to take you step by step in this process so that you can start your affiliate marketing business right after this video. So the first thing I want to talk about, if you're unfamiliar with it, is I'm going to talk about what is affiliate marketing. So what affiliate marketing is basically you refer a product to somebody and you get a commission from it. So most of the big brands around you have an affiliate program. The very first affiliate program that was ever created was Amazon, and it still is the biggest affiliate marketing program in the world. But as I just said, there are so many of these. So no matter what big brand you're looking for, you have to search on Google, search the brand name and space affiliate program or something like that, and you'll find out that there is an affiliate program from it. Now Amazon is very easy to get into it because they don't ask for anything. All you need to have is a YouTube channel or a website, and they'll just accept you for that. So that's why Amazon is the easiest way to get into it, but you can get into all sorts of things. You know, I saw Airbnb, but you have to have like 1 million visits a month or something like that to get into it, so it's a lot harder. And a lot of these brands are a bit harder to get into, but you do have to look into it because there are a lot of affiliate programs that are also very easy to get into. Amazon is very easy because, as I just said, it's easy to get into, but they also have a ton of products. So no matter what niche you're in, you'll find a product that will work out for you and that you can refer. Also, you have to note that all these affiliate programs are free to join, so don't worry about that. You're not going to lose any money. If somebody asks you to pay to get into a program, that's probably a scam or something like that. So make sure that you only join affiliate programs that are trustworthy and things like that. And if they ask you for money, they're probably not trustworthy. So, with that being said, I would highly suggest that you get into Amazon affiliate program because that's the easiest. But if you have any other ideas, get into it. So, why do I think that it's the best business to start? If you're broke, you have zero money, you can start an affiliate program. It's 100% free. It's like no matter what, you're not going to lose any money apart from if you're starting to run ads to it or something like that. But that's not the way I do it, so I do not suggest doing that, at least not right away. So the other reason why it's good is it gives you location freedom. No matter where you are in the world, you can run that affiliate program. So if you're watching this video, you can run an affiliate program. If you want to go on holiday, you can do that as well. You can still have your business running. There is only one thing that you need, and that is to have an internet connection. But keep in mind that if you have something running and you leave for a month, then it can still be making you money when you come back, or maybe it can be a year from now or something like that. If you do something great, it will work. Also, yes, you have to have some time to run that business, but when it's running, it just runs on forever because the link that will be given to you, which I haven't talked about, but what happens when you're in an affiliate program, you get a link so that the company that you're running the link to, they know it's you and they can give you that affiliate commission.
It's not too late.
So the link never changes, it never goes out of date or anything like that. So no matter what, if you have that link somewhere that people can find it and people are interested in it, then you can run it and just leave and disappear from the earth, and it will still be making you sales as long as you're doing it good. But we're going to get into that a bit later. Also, it can give you financial freedom. Now, keep in mind that this is not a pyramid scheme or anything like that. So it's a business. You have to work to get some results. That's just the way it is. If you're not putting in enough work, you just aren't going to get any results. So make sure that you work and that you get things nailed down, because like any business, it takes some work. With that being said, it can give you financial freedom because there's no limit to how much you sell. As soon as you start making 3 sales, that means it works for you, and you can make more sales as long as you're growing. So you can grow and grow and grow, and there's absolutely no limit to how much you can earn with affiliate sales. Now, I made a video on a company that runs purely on affiliate marketing, and it's a company with $1 billion or probably more than that. So don't worry about that. You can make as much money as you want with affiliate marketing. So that is something that you can do, but you have to keep in mind it's a business, so you have to put in some work to get it going. So with that being said, what you're going to be asking me is, okay, well that sounds all good, but how do I start? And you told me I can do it for free, so how do I start for free? Well, I'm going to tell you that right now. So you need to create a platform, whether it's a YouTube channel or an Instagram. Also, Facebook groups can work, but I highly suggest that you don't start with that because it can work to help you out, but that's not how you're going to grow it if you only have a Facebook group. So the best way to do this is starting a YouTube channel. That's 100% the best way to do it. There's no question. That is the best way to do it if you're doing it the way I do it, which is probably the best because it's free. Also, you can do it on Instagram if you know how to run an Instagram channel. If you know how to run an Instagram page and you're able to grow it really quick and things like that, it can also work. But it's not as efficient because it's so easy to follow someone on Instagram that people are less quality when they follow you on Instagram rather than when they're following you on YouTube. So if you have YouTube subscribers, they're far more valuable than the followers you have on Instagram. But I highly suggest you do both, no matter what niche you're in, and we're going to get into that as well. But I highly suggest that no matter what, you have a YouTube channel and an Instagram. Also, if you can run a Facebook group, you can do that as well. It will help, but if you're trying to do just an Instagram, if you're trying to just run a Facebook group, it just won't work. Maybe it can work if you know exactly what you're doing, but Facebook is cutting out organic reach as much as possible so that you pay for the services you use. So it's very hard to grow a Facebook page. It's a little bit easier to grow a Facebook group because a Facebook group is what Facebook is trying to grow right now. So it's way easier to grow a Facebook group than a Facebook page. But still, you don't want to do just that. And if you want to know how to grow a Facebook group, I can help you out with that. So just leave a comment and I'll help you out with that. So, now that you've chosen that you want to have a YouTube channel and an Instagram, or maybe it's just a YouTube channel, that works as well, but I highly suggest that you at least have a YouTube channel. So now that you've done that, you want to choose a niche. And that has to be a niche that you are really, really interested in. So, if you have a passion around something, just make a YouTube channel around it, and it can help. So, you also have to watch out on what passion that you're using. You have to have something that can make you money because that's the point of it. So, you want to make sure that you are able to make money with this. Now, I've said this in older videos, but I always say that if you have a huge competition, that's a good thing because that means that there's a market for it and you can just take a piece of the cake and do it. If there is no competition, it's probably a very bad thing because that means that there's no market for it. So, let's say that you're into working out and you're into supplements and things like that. That's a huge market. There's a huge competition. Well, trust me, you can grow a YouTube channel on that very, very quick. And I say very quick, it always depends on what you do to grow your channel and things like that. And I have a video on this. I'll try to not forget to link it in the description or at the end or something like that. So that's one of the things that you want to do. Also, the other thing that you can do is if you're into makeup. Now this applies more to females than males because very few are interested in makeup. But if you're a woman or a girl watching this, it's a very, very big market. Makeup is huge, so if you're interested in that, just dive straight into it and you'll be able to grow your channel very quick. If you're into tech, it works as well. If you're into, maybe you have a dog that you're really fan of, that can help as well. I haven't done too much research on that, so make sure that you do your own research, but I'm pretty sure there'll be some great affiliate offers to promote. Now, what I do want to say, the affiliate programs that you're trying to push, make sure that you use them, you're into them and things like that. Never ever try to sell something to somebody that you're not into, because that'll just ruin you, that'll break everything that you've been trying to build. So make sure that you promote something that you're really into. So you want to build your following and authority. That'll just grow your trust. People will start to like you, and that's why I talked about the previous point, is because if you're promoting something that you're not into, it will break everything. People will not trust you, and that's the last thing that you want. So always make sure that you provide value so that you gain authority and trust. Then you can push out an affiliate offer, and that will help quite a bit. And once that you've put out all this crazy value without asking anything back, that's the very first thing that you want to do, is just push out immense value, whether it's entertainment or teaching people like I do on this channel. If you know about a subject, you can just do that. If you do reviews are a bit different because you're gonna put out an affiliate offer no matter what, because if you're doing a review, people will be interested in that and they will want to click on the product to buy it if they're interested in it. So if you're doing reviews, just put out an affiliate link no matter what. But if you're doing anything else, I highly suggest that you don't put out an affiliate link in every single video, at least in the beginning. Once you get a bit bigger, then you can do that. But at first, don't ever do that. I don't promote things in all my videos because it's just not right. So make sure that you don't do that. Once you're starting to grow a bit bigger, then you can do that, but don't start right away. So, if you want to learn how to grow a YouTube channel, I can help you out with that. I'm pretty sure I made a video on that, and I'll link that if I find it, but I can make another one if you're interested in it, update it and things like that. So, make sure that you leave a comment in the description. Leave a comment in the description. Make sure that you leave a comment in the comment box. And I also have a Facebook group, so if you're interested in making money online no matter what, make sure that you join my free Facebook group. It's in the description. I'm not asking for anything as long as you're not spamming it. So don't worry about me selling you anything. I'm not selling you anything on that. So make sure that you join that Facebook group, and make sure that you also subscribe to my channel, because if you don't subscribe to my channel, you'll never see me again. If you don't like my face, that's probably a good thing. But if you do want to watch my other videos, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. With that being said, hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.